Most people think that you need art school, a huge portfolio, or the eye to become a fashion designer. I have coached hundreds of designers, and I can tell you this, that's not what separates the ones who make it from the ones who quit. It's whether someone shows you the actual steps. I built this because I kept seeing the same thing over and over again. Talented people stuck between free YouTube tutorials that don't really go anywhere and design schools that cost a fortune. There was nothing in between that actually walked you through building something real. You don't need permission from an art school to call yourself a designer. You need one finished piece or group or collection. This app helps guide you step by step based on your goals, on your level, on your progress. Every day you receive focused activities, creative direction, projects, and feedback designed to keep you moving towards your vision, towards your goal. Right now, to celebrate the launch, I'm offering founding member access at just $69 for a limited time only. After that, the price goes up. So honestly, the sooner you start, the sooner you're not just dreaming about designing, but you're actually doing it. So I'll see you inside the app.